So in this video we're going to be working on this iPad here, which has a badly damaged digitizer. So at this moment in time, we're about to remove the LCD screen. Always make a note of the screw sizes, because sometimes in this corner the screw sizes can be smaller, but in this case everything is the same size. So we'll move on now to getting the LCD lifted up. Let's just check that. That feels quite tight, so this LCD may not have ever been out, as there's some wax glue in both of these corners that you've got to dig out. So we'll make a start on that. Okay, so that's one corner lifting. Okay, there's movement there on either side. Okay, we have movement. Okay, so we're going to disconnect the battery now. I'm sure everybody has their own little pry tool for this. So here's mine. What I always do at this stage is turn on the iPad, make sure that the LCD doesn't come on. Because if it comes on, then your battery is not lifted enough. So here it goes. Nothing at the moment. Try once more. Nothing. So we know that battery is now not connected. So we'll now remove the wiring connectors. So that is the LCD now completely detached. Okay, so that's that bit disconnected. That's the tape detached. Okay, that's the digitizer off, and we'll get the home button off and get the casing cleaned. Okay, so we need to get the home button and cable off now. So we'll apply a bit of heat to that, warm it up a little. So it's all come away, but as you can see, there's still a lot of the previous screen attached, so we need to now clean all that up. These are the pitfalls of dealing with iPad screens that are completely smashed. They're not just cracked up and down, they truly are smashed all over the place into tiny fragments. So it's always these that take the longest to clean up, but we'll get there a bit at a time. Okay, so that's the button now, as you can see, completely clean, removed of all the debris, and managed to keep the little rubber gasket around the home button, which will help seat it in the new screen. So we'll go ahead now and get this fitted in the new screen and start some reassembly. Just going to add a little bit of glue underneath the bracket. Just quickly test that the bracket's in the right place. That's pressing fine. Okay, the battery. Okay, let's put the LCD back in place. Okay, let's make sure that it powers on. Okay, we have live. That's always a good sign. Okay, everything seems to be working okay. So we won't test the home button, we'll let the glue go off a little bit before we test that. We'll just shut it down for now. So that's the completed iPad. I applied a little bit of adhesive overnight and left it clamped, and obviously come to it this morning and everything seems to be working just fine. So yeah, that's the completed iPad.